Good morning, guys. Thought I would do another little update today and kind of vlog style and show you some things that I'm doing today. I'm here by myself right now. It's about 10:47 in the morning, and that's probably why I still look sleepy. I got up about 9 o'clock, I guess. Got me a bath, got dressed, and I just went to Dollar General, picked up some cleaning supplies because with all this moving going on, I see a lot of stuff I need to clean. I want to clean my tub good, clean on top of my refrigerator, just different places like that in the kitchen. It gets kind of sticky behind my microwave, behind my refrigerator, all that. Because I have been taking stuff down in here and getting things ready. So I've officially started packing up stuff and just got back from Dollar General. And I'm going to show you a few things I picked up to clean with. And then I'm going to show you around the house, show you what I've done so far. And then I'll talk to you a little bit at the end about what I found out yesterday as far as updating on the moving. So everything's going good. So let me show you what I got at Dollar General right quick. If y'all hear the birds chirping, it's because I got my back door standing open. It is so nice this morning. It's a little bit of a cool breeze. I love the fall time. And it just feels good. It's like 68 in my house right now, and it just feels good. I'm like, I'm going to open the door and listen to the birds chirp a little bit and just enjoy that cool air. Okay, so now let me show you what I got at Dollar General. Okay, like I said, I wanted to get some cleaning supplies. So I wanted to get some Awesome because Awesome works really good. And my table that I use in my eBay room is really dirty and greasy. And I know the Awesome will cut it because we used that whenever we went through the building. We had to lay a lot of tools on it and it got it really dirty and greasy. So I'm going to clean that today. I'm just going to suck it down with some Awesome and clean that up. I got Comet because I like to use Comet to scrub my bathtub. My bathtub is dirty. It needs a good cleaning. Because my husband, he works in an automotive place, and he gets greasy, and when he gets in the tub, he gets greasy on the tub, and it just gets dirty. And that's one of the things that I hate to do the most, y'all, is clean the tub, but I'll do it. But anyway, I got this small bottle of Awesome, just so I'd had the spray bottle, because I think I threw my last spray bottle away. And then I just got a big bottle of Awesome. That way I have plenty of Awesome to work with. I got me a little thing of Dawn because I knew I was about half low in my other bottle. So I went ahead and picked up some of that. I usually get the blue, but this is really all they had. But it is antibacterial hand soap, so that's good. I picked up some Dollar General flushable wipes. I got like 4 packs of those. I got this Dawn heavy duty scrub pad here. This is the kind that I like to use, and it was only $1. So I picked that up. I got this 50% more extra detergent. I just bought one of these the other day, so I just wanted to have an extra. So I went ahead and got that. I got some bleach because, of course, there's some things around here I probably need to bleach and get nice and clean. So I picked that up. I picked up 4 packs of these Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs just for me and my husband to have for lunch. He's actually fishing right now, but he'll be home in a little bit, and we'll just probably eat those for lunch today. And I had to pick these up, y'all. I thought they were so cute. Merry Christmas, y'all. Is that not cute? They had them in this red, and then they had them in black, like a full black and white like that is right there in the background. And I thought the red were cute, so I got those. Merry Christmas, y'all. I actually seen on my Facebook, y'all, that one of my friends on Facebook put their Christmas tree up the other day. She said she just couldn't wait, so she wanted to feel happy, so she put her tree up. I couldn't believe it. I thought I was always an early bird, but she's really early. She's even before Halloween. I got some of these Dollar General toilet bowl cleaners. I'm going to try them out. Drop one in each of my toilets to hopefully keep them a little bit cleaner, especially while the home is sitting a few days and all that, hopefully that'll help out a little bit. I'm not sure. We'll see. Because I don't know how many days the home will be sitting with no power and the water attached to it because of us moving. So anyway, that's everything that I got at Dollar General. I wanted to show you guys my cabinets up here. These cabinets, y'all know how mobile homes are. They just slap them together and sell them to you. They don't really care how long they last you or anything. But anyway, my cabinets started falling off the wall. I had a lot of canned goods and stuff in them at one time, and I guess it was just too heavy for it, and they started falling off the wall. So me and my husband just kind of temporarily tacked them up where they'd stay and took a lot of the canned goods and stuff out of them, but they were not level because we didn't take the time to really level them up nice and all that. So I got in here yesterday. I said, since I got everything out of the cabinets, let me show you. I cleaned all these out. There's nothing up top here. But anyway, ever since this thing has been leaning, my hood has been leaking water in when it rains. And I told my husband, I said, I gotta fix that. We gotta fix that before we move. And y'all don't pay no attention to my dirty wall. That's from grease and all that stuff. But I'm hoping I can get something to put on that and fix that so it don't look so bad. Anyway, I got in here yesterday. My husband was at work, and I couldn't get a hold of my son. I was going to get him to get over here and help me if he wasn't working, but I wasn't able to get a hold of him. So I got in here with the ladder and 2 car jacks, and I jacked this thing up, and I got up there on that ladder, and I screwed it in, leveled it up, and hopefully, it did pour down rain yesterday evening, and it didn't leak, so hopefully it fixed it. And it's nice and level all the way across. I measured it. It's 9 inches from the ceiling all the way across, and I'm glad it turned out pretty good considering I done it by myself. And it's a lot of work, and I got some bruises to show from it, but it's okay. I got it, and hopefully the rain's not going to come in anymore. The only thing the rain was doing was coming in, and then it was landing on my stove. So I was having to keep a big pot here to catch the water. And I told my husband I'm fed up with that rainwater coming in. So hopefully, me leveling up the countertop fixed it. Alright, this is pretty much currently what it looks like in here, because I've took all the stuff out the walls. Took my tree and put it over there in the corner. Stacked up a bunch of stuff that I've packed up off the walls. You know, my decor, my stuff is down in my thing here. These boxes over here is mostly kitchen stuff. You know, lunch bags, cups, my fall tray, all that stuff. So all that's been took down. Oh, and I wanted to show you. Up here, I've took all of my decor I had up over the refrigerator there, and on top of my china cabinet. I'm still going to have to take those dishes down, but right now we're still using those. But I'm going to take them down because we'll have to lay that china cabinet down. I've took stuff down in my bedroom off the walls, but there's still a lot of stuff up. I did do my pantry. I took down, let's come over here. I took down like my crock pots and all that stuff I had sitting on these 2 shelves. And I do have some groceries still left over on this side, but I'll keep them up there until we get ready to move. So just mainly, you know, getting the stuff off the walls and things like that. Now, I haven't even really begun in my eBay room. I took the stuff off the walls in my bathroom, my extra little bathroom I got in here. I took the stuff, I just had a few things in here. I do have some stuff in that bathtub because we don't use that bathtub, so I use it for storage. And I'll have to set that stuff down in the floor. And then in here in the eBay room, it's just kind of a mess. Here's my dirty table I got to clean because we used it to put all those tools on. So it's got to be cleaned real good. But in here, this is probably going to be the worst room because right now it's a mess. I got shelves to take down, boxes, Got lots of boxes. Somebody just gave me a bunch of boxes. And I went ahead and took them because they take the time to save them for me. And I don't want to turn them down, you know, after they've took the time to break them down and save them for me and save all the bubble wrap and stuff for me. So anyway, I got a lot of boxes in here. And I've actually sold some of my eBay inventory at our yard sale just to knock it down a little bit, but I still have a little bit of stuff in here. I still got about 165 items in my store. Here's some more boxes and eBay inventory. I've been putting some of my husband's good tools on eBay. These two down here is just like his, I give him these two shelves to put all his fishing stuff on. But all that'll have to be sitting down on the floor or in a box or something. All of my stuff over here on that shelf. All my stuff like this. My lights will have to be laid down. And everything in here is pretty much going to have to be laid down or took down. So this is going to be the main room. But I'm trying to wait on this room because I'm still selling. You know, just about every day I have something going out. So I don't want it to be all packaged up in boxes and I'm having to look for it. I want to be able to, you know, just come in here and get it and ship it out. So I'm wanting to keep, you know, this stuff up as long as I can until we get ready to move. Oh, and over here, more fishing stuff. All this will have to be set down in the floor because this is just stacks and stacks of stuff that my husband has fishing stuff in because he collects way too much fishing stuff. That's all I'm going to say about that. But anyway, that's the eBay room. And that's probably going to be my biggest room to take care of. But anyway, it's looking naked in here. I told my husband, I said, wow, it looks so much bigger when you take all the stuff off the walls. It looks a lot more like it did when we first moved in. My carpet's filthy because we've been running in and out and between the yard sale and the rain and moving stuff in and out. I got stuff packed behind my couch back here. I've actually, this big picture I got to pull out because I'm selling that to somebody at the church and I'm got to take it tonight. She's going to buy that big picture from me. I've been selling things on Facebook Marketplace. So I've been selling, y'all. Trying to get rid of stuff. We went through our 2 buildings. Organized out there. Got rid of things we didn't want. Got rid of some furniture I had out there. Sold all that at the yard sale. So just trying to get rid of stuff so we don't have to move so much. But that's pretty much the update. The only thing I've done in my bedroom is took like my jewelry down off the wall and a few little plaques and pictures and things that YouTube subscribers have sent me, that my son gave me, stuff like that. But anyway, let me set this down and I'm going to give you a little update on what we found out yesterday. Okay, what I wanted to say was my husband talked to the actual owner of the place yesterday. The guy that has been talking to us that moved up in the house up there and that's been running back and forth through here and taking care of things we thought was the owner, but he's not. So he is like the caretaker and, you know, the manager or whatever around here and running the business because the real owner is in Florida right now, or he either lives in Florida. I'm not sure. We didn't find that out for sure. But my husband talked to him, and he said he was the owner. This other guy that we thought was the owner is the manager of the place. So anyway, my husband talked to him yesterday, and he said he was going to send a man out here. He's supposed to call us, and then he's going to come and look and give us an estimate on what it's going to be to hopefully move everything. Because the man feels bad that we're having to move in such a short amount of time, that he talked like he's going to move everything, but we're not sure yet. We're not going to say anything. We're just going to wait and see what happens with that. But he is talking good, like he might move the buildings and everything, so we don't know yet. So keep us in your prayers that that's going to happen. You know, if we have to move our buildings, you know, we can move them, but he may do it all. My husband had a very positive talk with him yesterday about the move. He felt bad. He said that the man that, owned this, the son that took it over after his mother died, has known about this for months and months and months, and that he could have let us know early, but he didn't. So the new owner felt bad, and he's like, I'm going to take care of y'all, I'm going to help you move, and, get you off of the land and all that. So, at least he's working with us, so we're glad of that. We do have the lot ready. We do got to go over there and like clean it up and stuff. Like I showed you, it needed to be the grass cut and stuff like that. But anyway, hopefully we'll get that done before we move the trailer over there. I don't know how quick this is going to happen whenever the man gets in touch with us. But today's the first day of October, so we got to the end of the month, to the last day to be off the land. So this month is going to be kind of crunch time for us and getting everything done. Luckily, it's not going to be that bad because we don't have to move everything out of the house. We can leave all our furniture, everything in here, just put it on the floor and move it with the mobile home. So that's a good thing. That's going to help us tremendously. But anyway, I don't know. We may have to take all the stuff out of the building to move the building. It'd be nice if I could just pick them up with everything in it and just move them. But I don't know, with the weight of that, if that would be something they could do. But anyway, if that's all we had to move, that would be great. We are responsible for, hooking back up our air conditioner and stuff like that. So, but hopefully everything else, as far as the moving wise, is going to be took care of by him. Hopefully, that's what we're hoping for. After we talk to the guy that's going to come by and look at everything, see how much it costs, and we're going to go from there. But that's our update, y'all. That's what's going on right now. I just wanted to share everything with you and show you what I've been doing. I've been busy, and I got the bruises on my arm to prove it. I've been busy. I done all that yesterday, just working on that cabinet, getting that cabinet fixed. Because I'm have to do a lot of it, y'all, because, my husband's still working. He works a full time, a lot of hours. That's my door swinging open back there. A lot of hours, and, he only has his days off to do stuff around here or after work. So I'm trying to do what I can do. I put my mind to it. I can do a lot. So I'm trying to do what I can to keep him having to do so much and work too. So, we're a team, so we work together. But anyway, so for you that left me that nasty long comment a few months ago that I was lazy, honey, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not lazy. I work every day doing something. Even before this move, I was always working and doing something. I'm not lazy. So, just want to tell you that, if you can see this, because I did block her. But anyway, I'm going to go, guys. Y'all have a good one. See you in my next video. Bye.